Helmet students, gather round, time for the first session. Upper limb anatomy, learn it with expression. Pectoral power, scapular support so true. Verse by verse, we'll break it down for you. First up, pectoralis major, broad and so wide. Clavicular head, sternocostal, side by side from clavicles medial half. Sternum and ribs, it starts its flight. And when a tubercular sulcus, lateral lip holding tight. Adduction medially rotates that arm with might. Clavicular flexus, sternocostal extends, what a sight. Lateral and medial pectoral nerve, C5 the T1, give it light. Pec major, fan shaped and vast, makes movements laugh. D to the major, find pectoral is minor station from ribs 3 to 5. Its humble origination to the coracoid process, scapula's destination. Stabilizes scapula, draws it down with dedication. Protracts and depresses, aids respiration. Medial pectoral nerve, C8T1, its innovation. Pec minor line, pull scapula down, no surprise. Watch for shortness, thoracic outlets, cries. Pectoral power, scapula stabilizes on the scene. Anchor in the girdle, keeping movements keen. From your chest to your back, these muscles intervene. Lifting, pushing, pulling, building strength unseen. Posture and power, a well-oiled machine. Learn their OIAI, become an anatomy king. Serratus interior like a sawtooth design. Lateral ribs 1 to 8, its origin line. The scapula's medial border anteriorly aligned. Protracts, rotates upwards for overhead shine. Holds that scapula firm against the thoracic confine. Long thoracic nerve, C5, 6, 7, truly divine. C5, 6, 7, raise your arms to heaven. Wing scapula, if damage, a clinical lesson given. Subclavius neck, small but plays its part. From first rib and cartilage, a modest start. To clavicles inferior groove with all its heart. Anchors and depresses clavicle, smart from the start. Protects vessels beneath, a real work of art. Nerve to subclavius, C5, C6 sets it apart. Subclavius, small and discreet, holds the clavicle, oh so neat. Then trapezius, a diamond shape so grand. Neutral line, EOPC7 to T12 across the land. A clavicle, chromium, the scapular spine and span. Accessory nerve, that's CN11, motor command. Upper fibers elevate, middle retract by nerve plan. Lower fibers depress, help rotate, understand. Traps on your back, a diamond so wide. CN11 in charge, moving with pride. Pectoral power, scapula stabilizes on the scene. Anchor in the girdle, keeping movements keen. From your chest to your back, these muscles intervene. Lifting, pushing, pulling, building strength unseen. Posture and power, a well-oiled machine. Learn their OIAI, become an anatomy king. Don't forget levator scapulae, lifting it high. From C1 to C4, transverse processes way up nigh. To scapula superior angle before your eye. Elevates and rotates down, give it a try. Dorsal scapular nerve, C4, C5, makes it fly. Lifts your shoulder high, no serenade. Neck pain when it's stiff, a price that's paid. And the rhomboids, major and minor, a binary pair. From spinous processes, T2, T1. Minor. They declare the scapula's medial border they firmly bear. Retract and elevate with precision and care. Dorsal scapular nerve, C4, C5, beyond compare. Rhomboid major, pulls it back with force. Minor with it, on the same course. Pectoral power, scapula stabilizes on the scene. Anchor in the girdle, keeping movements keen. From your chest to your back, these muscles intervene. Lifting, pushing, pulling, building strength unseen. Posture and power, a well-oiled machine. Learn their OIAI, become an anatomy king. Yeah, that's the foundation, the anchors of your limb. Pectorals and scapular crew, sink or swim, you gotta learn them. Next up, we hit the shoulders prime movers. Stay tuned. Peace.